Yes, I vape. I'm sorry. I'll put this aside for now. All right. So that aside, yo, what's up, guys? Back again with another video, and yes, this is what the video is about. I'm not using that controller or the remote or the transmitter. Not that one. This one. Yes. Anyways, matter of fact, we're going to dock you in there. We'll see how that goes. I got to be careful of the uppermost buttons and try to not destroy this recording. Because usually I have to touch the screen or something. Ooh, there we go. Okay. Alright, so without further ado, I think I've repaired my XRT. Right? And I've got belted tires on it, and yeah, a can motor, and so on and so forth. Don't mind the double stick tape. I'm using that for waterproofing, even though it's in the middle of summer. I lost a part, so I'm just trying to keep most of the dust out, you know? Alright. Power on. And wait for it.
Welcome to Noble Pro Plus.
And there it is. Here, we'll set you down for a second, and you can Google the can motor for just a second. We'll power it on. Power switch is over here. Here, let me rotate. So it's on this other side. Matter of fact, I'll just take it to the other side. We'll get this out of the way too. Alright. Okay. Oh, probably should plug it in, right? Oh, yeah. Ooh. It's falling over. All right. Safety first, and gotta make sure you're in the right camera angle anyways. Come on, man. I'm trying to film this from my remote. I'm not like Rob Zombie trying to make some films here. I don't know. Yeah, I'll film the ESC. We're live, boys. I set this up earlier. My thing is like I was having problems with the ESC, and it was just a sheer simple connection. Alright, I'm going to put the body on, and then we'll go outside and test this puppy out. I am having some pain today. I'm not trying to complain to the guys today, but yeah, not having such a pain-free day, that's for sure. It's only ever this one side that just seems to give me a little bit. I don't want to click in or something. There we go. Talk about small adjustments. All right. Gotta grab the wheelie bar. This is probably the safest way to take this outside. Oh gosh. No, I'm kidding. Yep. Yeah, it's pretty much a circus to take this out ever so gently. Oh hey, one more thing. I'm taking this puppy out at 102. So yeah, that's what street. Oh Lord, I'm sorry. My bad. My bad. A little bit top heavy. I'm gonna set this transmitter and phone down. All right, so I'm gonna take my 12S 1100 kV motored, belt driven XRT out to the street and we'll see what happens. Oh, we got a motorcycle coming up. All right, let's see if I can actually aim this thing. Oh man, violent. Oh my gosh. So I changed a couple of things and now I have like full on connection. I don't know what I'm doing here. Yeah, 12S. Here, let's see if I can actually film this. Yeah. Yeah, I live on a fairly busy road. I got like one more, and then I think I can give it a rip. It's not easy. Looks like I got two. I'm gonna film a little bit. Oh, here we go. All right. Oh my gosh, it's so powerful ever since I fixed it. Nobody coming, let's go. Sorry, I'm like trying to drive it, not film it. Yeah. Sorry. It's not easy. I'm skipping teeth on the belt. Does wheelies all day long, I think. Well, maybe if I had batteries all day long. See if I can catch a wheelie, and I'll try to film a wheelie. Oh, on that sled. Yeah, not so easy to film and drive at the same time. So kudos to Tom Lee RC, because he seems to be able to do that same act with one hand and film. Yeah, I got high traffic, so we'll see how well I do here. It's not so easy to drive and film at the same time. It's fast, yo. It really is. It's fast. I can beat a car at 25, no problems. This thing's a demon because I fixed it again. Oh yeah, this thing is just so mean. 12S on a belt drive and everything is the way it should be. I haven't even done anything to the trim yet. I'm just driving it. Yeah, 12S. It's so mean. Yeah, I'm totally backwards if I run it the other way. Excuse me. I might be hitting the trim. Yeah, I definitely hit the trim. Oh yeah, it's soaking up the bump of death. Oh man, I'm so good. Or rather, the truck is so good. I'm not. I'm just barely driving. This is great. I love it. Yeah, really quick. I wish I could film it as fast as I can drive it, which is not very well at the moment. Yeah. Nope, something broke. That must be it. Well, since that's it, have you all a good day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.